know how important it is that our kids and our pregnant moms and our babies have the fuel that they need to be able to serve us far into the future. So thank you again for being here this morning. I'll be your moderator for the press conference today. We have three speakers. First, you'll hear from the Vice Chairman of the Cumberland County Board of Commissioners, Vice Chairman Glenn Adams. Second, you will hear from the Cumberland County Manager, our new County Manager, Mr. Clarence Grier. And third, you will hear from Lieutenant Colonel Pearce, who is my counterpart, our Director of Health at the Fort Bragg Department of Public Health. So thank you again for being here. I will turn the mic over to Commissioner Adams, and then we will follow with the speakers in order, and then we'll come back at the end for questions. So I'll turn the mic over to Commissioner Adams.
Thank you, Dr. Green. I tell you, today is just a wonderful day. And so first, good morning. It is breezy out here today, so I'm not going to be out here long in front of you. But I do bring greetings on behalf of the Cumberland County Board of Commissioners and the more than 360,000 citizens of Cumberland County. Today is a great day. The one thing we talk about is collaboration. And so today, in terms of talking to General Donahue and the people at Fort Bragg, one of the things that DOD is talking about is making sure that military installations around the country have collaborations with their local governments. And today, that's exactly what we're going to do by opening this WIC office right here on Fort Bragg. So first, I want to say thank you to Colonel Pearce and to Dr. Jennifer Green for making this a reality. One thing we do know is that we need to take care of our women, infants, and children right here in Cumberland County and on Fort Bragg. The one thing we want to do is, as our servicemen protect us, we want to make it as easy for them to be able to take care of their families, and that's what we are doing today. This office out here today allows them to be able to come here without having to come off post to take care of their needs for their families. So, you know, one of the things that I want to say is congratulations. Thank you to Fort Bragg. Thank you to our public health department for being able to make this a reality today. You know, there are a lot of food deserts around our country and around Cumberland County, and the county commissioners are we going to make sure that we cut those food deserts out, that we're going to be able to make sure that we can take care of our families. One of the things yesterday, as we were listening to our Department of Social Services Director, Brenda Jackson, is the need that we have to take care of our children right here in Cumberland County. The Cumberland County Commissioners are going to do just that. So with that, I will allow and turn to our new County Manager, Clarence Grier, to give you some words.
Good morning, everyone. This is my 7th day on the job, but I'm happy to be here because it's celebrating the collaboration between Fort Bragg and Cumberland County and the opening of this WIC office. It's heartening to have the WIC program and help so many kids and families that serve our service members, that serve our country and our nation. And we want to build on these type of collaborations in the future and continue on helping the service members, because many of these service members' children and the families will someday become service members and serve right here on this base. So again, I'd like to thank you all, thank the Fort Bragg, Dr. Green and the Public Health Department and her team for the collaboration and establishing this office here, and hopefully we'll have many more type of collaborations in the future. Thank you all.
So it is kind of windy out here. Good morning, everybody. And I know that you've heard a lot of thank yous already, but I want to emphasize what an important place and time and event that this is today, and what a fitting location for it to be here at Fort Bragg. Of course, the tip of the spear for the Army, but also a trailblazer as far as collaborations, as our partners have mentioned, between the DoD community and our community partners in support of our families and service members.
So I want to welcome everyone on behalf of the Fort Bragg Department of Public Health, and just thank you again, all of our partners and all of you for joining us today for this opening of our WIC office on Fort Bragg. As mentioned by Dr. Green, the nutrition of our mothers and children is really integral to community health, and we know that a nutrient-rich diet supports so many aspects of development. It's physical strength, cognitive functions, to even emotions and overall well-being. And I am so excited to be part of this opportunity to make access to such an important program such as WIC more accessible for our Fort Bragg families. This all began with our community survey several years ago, and I just want to say to the community, we heard you speak through the community survey, and we heard you. And as a result, we're here today bringing this improved access to you. So fostering a healthy and supportive Fort Bragg community, it really takes a partnership. And so I again want to thank all of our community partners from the Cumberland County Department of Public Health and the UNC School of Public Health Lineberger Center. Without their efforts, we would not be here today. And so I thank you and welcome, and let's cut this ribbon and get things open. Thank you so much.